Hello Duncan, it's the Rab here at Vast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2014 Triumph Daytona. Has a 7,800 kilometers on it. The price is 88 plus HST and licensing. The bike is fully certified. It's in really nice shape. Let me try to it up for you. That's the mileage in kilometers. Has an ABS. If you have any question regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212. We can ship it to you as well. It's about between $800 to $1,000 to ship it to BC. And we can work something out. Please let me know.